All right, in this video, hold on. We're going to do vibrato. All right, vibrato, is that even possible on ukulele? Matter of fact, what the heck is vibrato? Don't worry. This one technique right here is going to help take your playing, boom, from here to here. So stick around. All right, welcome. Ukelikethepros, Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. In this video, we're going to talk about vibrato. This is a really important technique that you need to incorporate into your playing to help you sound like the way you sound now, to help you sounding like a ukulele like the pros. Doesn't even make sense, whatever. All right, but before we get there, if you're new to the channel, don't know me, that's my responsibility. I take full responsibility for that. So this is your chance right now. Let's get to know each other. Make sure to subscribe. Click the link below, ukelikethepros.com/win. Because we give away ukulele every single month. And yes, we do give away ko-alohas. We do. And this is what this is. Ko-aloha KCM concert made in Hawaii, Koawood. This is my personal one, but I have them at my store, store.ukelikethepros.com. Yeah. All right, let's get into it. All right, vibrato. Vibrato is going to take the note that sounds like this and make it sound like this. Again, boring. And all right, so if you're into blues, you're into rock, you like some country music, whatever, pop even, you need to know how to do this vibrato. This works if you're playing melodies, if you're doing any kind of soloing, that kind of stuff. It just makes the note sound better, all right? So we're gonna start real simple here. All right, start right here. First string, 5th fret with my 3rd finger, and I want to place my 2nd finger behind it on the 4th fret and my 1st finger behind it on the 1st fret. This is all in the 1st string. And now when I'm going to do this, right there. And really what it is, you're taking this note, this is the string, and you're literally like shaking it, almost small little bends up and down. Okay, without it, you just get the note. What note is that, by the way? Drop it in the comments below. What note am I playing right here? 1st string, 5th fret. I'll tell you in a second. Take that note and then add a little vibrato. And you're going to be using the fingers that you have down. You're going to be using your thumb here, a little bit here, pressing down. You're going to use your wrist right here as well. Now, you can do a vibrato with any finger. You can do it on the 3rd finger, 2nd finger, 1st finger. You can also do it on any string. 2nd string, 3rd string. And you could even do it on the 4th string. That's a high G, but don't worry. Anyway, you get the idea. All right, so if you add vibrato, this is just a really nice way to bring some life to your notes, to make them pop out, to make them sustain a little bit, to give them a little bit of life. Now, a little bonus here, and I do have a video on bending as well. Okay, so if you like that, but you can also add vibrato to your bends. Bend it up, add a little vibrato on top. All right, if you like vibrato and want to learn more about it or hear it more, because once you hear it and get in your ears, listen to the blues greats. Listen to guys like B.B. King. Listen to guys like Stevie Ray Vaughan. Because you're going to realize with vibrato, vibrato can be slow. Vibrato can be fast. Vibrato can be narrow, just a little tiny bit, and vibrato can be very wide. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do vibrato. So, all right, I hope you got it. Leave a comment below. By the way, this note was the D note. A, B, C, D that we were playing up here on the 5th fret. If you like this stuff, you want to learn more, Platinum membership, ukelikethepros.com/platinum. You get all my courses, all access to the Q&As, the challenges, the workshops. Matter of fact, today, the day I'm recording this, I have a workshop on ukulele rhythms that are going on today. So don't worry, that's available if you're behind, if you're watching this later. But we have all kinds of stuff. So check all that stuff out. I hope you got a little bit of value. Hope this helps and gets your playing to that next level that you've been looking for. So make sure to check us out. We got our store. We got our website. We got a fantastic blog. We got a Patreon page, and we got all our social media stuff. And I want you to get involved, be a part of the Ukulele Pros Nation. I'm Terry Carter, and I appreciate you being here. We'll see you next time.